Welcome back, guys. So let us kickstart our course with a simple concept called entity relationship modeling. And first of all, we are going to learn the different definitions under these. First comes entity. Entity is something which is real or abstract about which we are going to store the information in our database. This includes a student in a university. If you are going to create a database for a university, he is an entity. We are going to store the information regarding the student. And the bank, if you're going to create a database for bank data. And book is also an entity for a database of library. Next comes the definition attribute. Attribute is the characteristic property of an entity. So under these comes the different features of the entity, and there may be so many attributes for a single entity. For example, here is a car. The color of the car, the number of the car, and its model, all are the attributes for the entity car. Next comes the relationship. What is a relationship? Under the database, the two entities are related to one and another by a simple relationship which is defined by the simple words such as has, receives, and different words like these. But the main point that you have to focus here is that all the relationship between the two entities is the in the form of one to one, one to many to many, and many to one. And this relationship is called cardinality of relationship. And for example, here is an employee, and in a company for different employees, the company has provided a credit card for each of them. No employee has more than one credit card provided by the company, and no card is owned by more than one employee. So here in this example, we can simply say the relationship is as follows. One employee has one credit card. Hope you have understood different definitions here. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.